this time I will change both the subject and also the adjective. Can you read by yourself? We talked about this final just now. All you together the second tone. Can we try? 很好，头 means head. Okay, it's a very important body part. Okay, then this adjective. You can follow me. 疼 Great. It's eng together. It's also a compound final. 疼 Yeah, 疼 just means painful. Okay, so together. 头疼吗? Great. It just means is your head painful? Just like this. Yeah. So I think it's a very useful question between the patient and the doctor. Okay.
When I'm in the clinic, they say, oh, 痛嘛.
Oh, 很好. 痛 is another word. It's very similar to 疼. Also means just like hurts or painful. 很好. Okay. Then, can you try to answer my question? The subject, and also we have to change the adjective. Can you try? 头疼吗? 头很 How to say the adjective here?
头很疼.
Great. Yeah, you did a very good job. 头很疼 means my head is very painful now. Yeah, okay. So you can see the same structure, right? We just change the subject, change the adjective. Okay, so now let's practice one more time. I ask, you answer. 头疼吗? Okay, very good. And your sentence, your tones are totally correct. So now it's your turn. You can ask me. You are the doctor. You can ask me. 头很疼. Yeah, just like this. And I think you can see here 头 and 疼, they are both the second tone. I think your second tone is much better now. Yeah, great. Okay, that is all for today's lesson. Leave a comment below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。